Now this is something that I know you probably already got a pair of around the house, but let's face it, you can never have enough headphones. And this is the Sony MDR ZX110. That's the MDR ZX110. Now this one comes with only the 3.5 millimeter or the 1/8 inch, if you want to think about it from that standpoint, stereo connector, the TRS, on the back. So if you're going to use this with something that has only the 1/4 inch, you will need an adapter. An adapter does not come with this, but you know what? That's not a problem. You can always find one. In fact, you probably already have several around the house. This fits very comfortably, but yet it packs up very easily and very compactly. So if you want to keep the cardboard box that it comes in, that's a good way of taking very good care of this one. And this is going to be something that should serve you well for many years to come. Sony has a very good reputation for making good audio gear, so I don't think you'll be disappointed with this one.